Okay, let's talk about that feeling, the constant social media scramble. Sound familiar?
It's that sense that you're always playing catch up, always just one step behind. And this isn't just stressful. All that chaos has some serious hidden costs. I mean, you're hopping between apps all day. It's a massive drain on your focus. So you end up reacting instead of creating the thoughtful content you actually wanted to. Put it all together, and what do you get? Social media burnout. And yeah, it's real. So what's the fix? Well, let's take a look at something called Clicks Media.
The whole idea here is to flip the script, to take you from total chaos to calmed control.
So how does it get you all those hours back? It's a pretty simple three-step process. Basically, no more jumping around, no more last-minute panic, just one smart system. And if you want to see for yourself, you can start right now, totally free for 10 days.
Look, this isn't just about work. It's about getting your actual personal time back.
Which leaves just one question, right? What are you going to do with all that time?